Well, breaking news, the Teamsters union warning that UPS workers are ready to strike for a better contract. But our closer today, the one and the only, I love this guy, Gary B. Smith, is not worried. I love that you're here in person. And I love that you're bullish on UPS. Tell me why.
Cheryl, I always like stocks that I can touch or feel in my house almost every day. Now, we're big Amazon users. I've talked about Amazon with Liz many, many times, so I'm not going to keep going on that. But the other part of Amazon is getting those deliveries. I know there's a strike pending. UPS is going to be around. The workers are going to do great. They actually have very good relations. One of the best unionized companies that I know. UPS.
So the union and the company actually have a better relationship.
They do. They've had a long-term, pretty good relationship.
All right. So maybe the bargaining table will actually get them somewhere. Let's also talk about this other company, Verizon. I don't have a landline anymore. I know a lot of people don't.
Who does?
But you still like Verizon.
Well, I like Verizon because when I pick up my iPad, it's Verizon Wireless. When I pick up my cell phone, it's either AT&T or it's Verizon.
It's true.
Verizon Wireless is not going to go away. I like all the big players there. I like AT&T. I like Verizon. It's going to be around no matter what the technology is. There's going to be something Verizon. There might not be hardwired, as you point out, landlines, maybe even TV. You know, a lot of people use the satellite TV.
Right.
Wireless is here to stay.
Yeah, wireless, and of course there's all the other things that they're getting into with data services. Verizon is. Really quick, I want to ask you about just kind of the general sense. Right now, we've got the Fed meeting next week.
Right.
The North Korean summit, that is next week. G7 starts tomorrow. We're calling it the G6+1. That's,
right.
There's a lot of things, but yet the Dow is positive right now. So what are you watching right now? And are you worried about the kind of the geopolitical risk that we're seeing?
I tell you what, the only thing I'm really worried about is this whole trade thing. I think that's the one area that Trump could really muff for the economy. Everything else is good. Eliminating red tape, lower tax rates, just a better pro-business environment, except for this trade thing. That's just goofy. I hope he has some elaborate plan that he's thinking long-term on negotiating. That's the only thing that worries me. I think the economy, though, the foundation is there. We're in great shape.
You know, really quick, we're looking at the S&P 500. A lot of that weakness is technology today.
Yeah.
Technology, though, had been one of the stronger areas. Last word on technology.
Well, people say, really ironically, I heard someone else say that the FANG stocks are the safe stocks. Think about it. Amazon is not going away. I'm not a Facebook fan. I hardly ever use it, but the others, Netflix, I use every day. Google, I like the FANG stocks.